uh, this is a question which is asked in the year 2002 in JW exam. The problem statement is, if a body loses half of its initial velocity on penetrating 3 centimeter in a wooden block, then how much it will penetrate more before coming to rest. So here the body loses half of its initial velocity. So that initial velocity, I will take it as a u, and final velocity will becomes, see, it will loses half of its initial velocity, so this will become half of its initial velocity, and then it will penetrate how much, 3 centimeters. See, there is a tree here, so that a body is moving and this body loses it's a half of initial velocity, means while penetrating through this means traveling about 3 centimeter, it loses it's a half of velocity, so that will becomes a final velocity. Then how much it will penetrate more before coming to rest, then how much it will penetrate, so how much distance it will penetrate before coming to rest. So this thing they have asked us. So here, to find out that extra distance, so we need to calculate a acceleration. So we have formula, this is a motion in a straight line, numerical. So we will use three formula, that is v equal to u plus at, s equal to ut plus half at square, and v square equal to u square plus 2s. I will not take this v equal to u plus at and s equal to ut plus half at square. So because in this equation we don't have a s, that is a distance traveled. In this equation we have a distance traveled, but time is not given in the problem statement, so I will use this equation. So here first we need to calculate that acceleration of that object, so that v will be half of u, this is whole square, I will write square, and initial velocity is u square, to acceleration of that object we don't know, and the distance covered by that object is 3 centimeter. So the final answer is also in a centimeter, so I will not convert into meter. Now this will becomes u square divided by 4, and this is u square, and this is a 6a. So now u square divided by 4, and this u square come this side, this will become a minus u square, this is 6a, so that LCM will become a 4. So u square minus 4u square is equal to 6a. So 3u square minus 4 is equal to 6a, and this 3 and into 2, and this will becomes 4 into 2, so that acceleration will become u square minus 8. See that acceleration is coming in a negative sign, so that is indicating that retardation is occurring, means after hitting the tree, after hitting the wooden block, that object speed is goes on reducing, so that's why our answer is coming minus. So here we have got the acceleration of the object, that is minus u square divided by 8. Now we have to calculate that distance, so that again to calculate that distance I will use the formula v square is equal to u square plus 2as. See, now finally this object will come and rest here. So this object will come rest here means that final velocity becomes 0. So I will put final velocity as 0, and that initial velocity is u square plus 2, a is minus u square by 8 into s, and this 2 and this 4 is cancel, this u square will come this side, and here this is u square minus 4 into s, so this minus sign cancel, and u square cancel, cross multiply 4, so that centimeter, so that s will become 4 centimeter, and that is option D. I hope you all understood this numerical. Thank you.